In this video, I will show you how to see if someone viewed your Roblox profile in 2024. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here logged into my Roblox account. Now, currently there's no actual direct feature to see if someone viewed your Roblox profile. And the reason for this is Roblox is very big on privacy and security. However, there's a couple of things you can check to give you an indication of who's viewed your profile. So to do that, what you're going to want to do is come across to Roblox and log into your account. Then you want to come up and click onto the three lines to expand this menu if you haven't done so already. And what you want to do first is click onto friends. Now in here, if someone sent you a friend request, as you can see, I've got a few here. Chances are they've been viewing your profile and have been looking at your profile. You'll notice at the top, we've also got this followers tab. So if you actually click onto this as well, you can see who's currently following you, which again is going to give you a good indication of if someone viewed your Roblox profile. Another thing you can do is check your messages to see if someone has sent you messages, which again is going to indicate that they have been viewing your profile. But at the time of recording, there's currently no direct feature to see who has viewed your Roblox profile. So that's a couple of things you can try to see if someone viewed your Roblox profile in 2024. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.